Hey OJ here. How's it going? Well, good day for a bonfire. What? This is only the second one we've had this year, and we've accumulated some branches and stuff, so we figured, well, let's have a bonfire. Make some s'mores. Hot dogs first, s'mores after. And it's just too hot to do anything. But you can't think straight when it gets hot. Not that I can think straight when it's not hot, but anyways, we're gonna have a little bonfire here. Relax and have a bit of sugar with some marshmallows after with chocolate and s'mores and Coke and whatever. No coffee. It's too late for coffee. I've already had my pot for today, so anyways, I hope you guys are all healthy and well. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because you know OJ loves you. Whoop, 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 whoop.
Okay. Abby, you're gonna get your tail in the fire. Abby, come.
Be a hot dog, eh?
A real hot dog. Come here, you. You're gonna get burned.
Well, we finally got it going, eh?
Yeah. You guys having a good time out here? Yeah, you're warm. You get away from the fire. Oh, it's bubbling. Maybe I should hold it up a little higher. Getting warm?
Getting toasty, yeah.
Okay. You want to explain why we're using hamburger buns?
We're using hamburger buns because I've seen the buns and they look long like hot dogs, and then I got home and realized, hamburger buns.
Well, you use your method and I'll use mine.
Yeah. So we had a little technical difficulty. Being it's 30, feels like 37 out, and where we had the camera sitting close to the bonfire, well, it got a little warm and that just shut down. Anyways, cooled off now, so we're just having a few hot dogs, and then we'll have s'mores later. And my gallery is here at my feet, just waiting for scraps. They've already had supper, and I was saying before the phone, when the camera died, is I thought I bought hamburger or hot dog buns. Well, I bought hamburger buns instead of hot dog buns, but it's all good. I grew up in a time when a slice of bread was for a hamburger, for a hot dog, for a sandwich, whatever. Anyways, they're good. I like to wear my food.
You getting a little smoked out?
No, nice. Get the camera going and everybody just leaves.
Nobody wants to be on. Here, let me Oh, perfection. Better blow them out.
There we go.
Oh, I gotta get a close-up of that. Here, let's see that. Oh.
Look at it. Would you just look at that? Now that's a s'more.
Hold on.
Would you look at that? Would you look at it?
I can't
just look
see
at
it until
just
you
look
put it in. There we go.
Look at that. Look. 4 marshmallows, chocolate, and a monster cookie. Yeah. A little messy. And I'm gonna sip. Well, until next time, and thanks for joining us for bonfire, hot dogs, s'mores. I could be washing my beard later, but it sure is good. I don't know. Mm.